In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a third-party pop-up to your Wix website using embed code. First, open your site in the Wix editor. Head to wix.com and sign into your account. On your dashboard, select the site where you want the pop-up and click Edit Site. This takes you into the Wix editor for that specific website. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're editing the correct one to avoid publishing changes to the wrong project. Give the page a moment to load and consider saving your work periodically as you go. Next, add the element that will host your pop-up code. In the left-hand toolbar, click the add icon, the small plus sign. Use the search bar or scroll to locate embed code, sometimes labeled embed HTML. Click it to place an embed box onto your page. This element acts like a window that can load content from external services, which is exactly what most pop-up and widget builders provide. Now paste your pop-up code. Select the embed code element you just added and click Edit Code or Enter Code. A code box will open. Paste the full pop-up snippet you generated from your chosen service, such as a reputable pop-up or widget builder. Make sure you include the entire snippet, including any opening and closing script tags. If the provider gives you multiple pieces, follow their order exactly. It's a good idea to confirm the code uses secure HTTPS links and doesn't include any sensitive information. When you're done, apply or update the code so the editor can load it. Position the pop-up where you want it to appear. Drag the embed box to the ideal spot, like the bottom right corner or the center of the page. Resize it so there's enough room for the pop-up's content to display cleanly without cutting off edges. Wix will render the script inside that box, so its placement and size matter. If the pop-up overlaps other elements, adjust spacing to keep everything readable and accessible. Finally, preview and publish. Click the preview button, the eye icon, to test how the pop-up appears and behaves. Confirm it loads as expected, captures emails if that's the goal, and displays any offers or messages correctly. Check both desktop and mobile views to ensure responsiveness. When everything looks good, click Publish in the top right corner to make the pop-up live on your Wix site. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.